I wanna be your lover, tied up and twisted around. I wanna be your lover till I'm underground. I wanna be your man, but you don't feel the same. I feel it in your hands. Now I'm filled with shame. I woke up in a foreign land, in a castle made of sand. No one wants me. No one wants me. I woke up with a broken hand in a castle made of sand.
Hi, this is Kristofer with Kristofer Travels. I'm from Riverside, California, and this is my camper Frankie, and this is my travel buddy. If you look up here, I'm going to talk about the pop top. I got the idea from the Westphalia, and I was just racking my brain, like, how am I going to do this? Like, I have some heavy duty door hinges in the back, and then I just used some 3/4 inch plywood, and on the sides is sheet metal. So what I did was I put the sheet metal on top of it, and then I put the angle aluminum so they kind of fit inside of each other. So when I have it down, it seals. And I just got out my scissors and cut the canvas to fit, and voila, here it is.
Is that an outdoor canvas that you used?
Yes, it's a waterproof outdoor canvas, mossy oak print, of course, my favorite.
And on your channel, you have more detailed about this, don't you?
I do, yes. Okay, so basically this whole thing started in February of last year, 2017, and I got an idea from looking at videos on YouTube and saying, wow, like, these people are free, they can travel and everything. So my first thing that I went to look for was a trailer. So, and I was gonna build on top of that. So I bought a trailer for $400, and then the first thing I built was the frame, the bones of the structure. And after the frame was built, I went ahead and put together the walls, and this you can see on my channel as well. And then I have some insulation, and I put the windows in, and everything just started coming together. And
Can you tell us how big the trailer is?
oh yeah, the trailer is 4x8. It's I forgot the name of the company, but anyways, it's 4x8.
And how tall is it without the pop top?
Without the pop top, it's about 5 feet tall, and popped up is about 7 feet.
Yeah, it has plenty of room in here. How tall are you?
I'm about 5'6", short guy. Okay, so this is my kitchen, and I have a single burner stove here, and I cook my water for my coffee on there, and I have a lot of storage in here. I call it my pantry because I put most of my food in there, and I usually keep my utensils in.
Alright, so I see you have that cooktop and it's not mounted, so do you use it outside as well?
I do, yes. I do have a table that I set all my cooking stuff on when when it is a nice day. And I also have a sink that I can rinse things in with running water. I wired up the switch to the electrical.
So it's just a pump that runs it?
It's a pump. It goes down into my jerry can for my water.
Okay, so this is your water storage?
This is the dishwashing water. This is my fresh water, and this is my shower water.
So why do you use 3 storage containers for your water? Do you want to start here?
Well, that one's for just rinsing stuff in, like dishes and stuff in the sink. This is my fresh water.
For drinking.
For drinking. And this is my shower water. I cut a hole in it so I can actually, I have a pump that,
I see.
and I can actually fit it in there. I couldn't fit it in the jerry can nor this.
So where do you shower at?
That I will show you in just a second. So I'm gonna show you my shower now, and it's under my bed, and it's interesting. So first I need to prop my bed up. Okay, so now that my bed's propped up, I made this handy dandy little hula hoop curtain, and you put it inside the little brackets, and then you put it in the tub, which I have full of stuff, but sorry.
I like how you use the light up hula hoop. Alright, do you want to show us your tub? Oh yeah, it does light up, see? Okay, and then it goes into this tub right here, correct?
It goes into the tub.
And where's that drained? Is it just drained straight out?
It drains straight out. I can either put it out with my biodegradable soaps or put a bucket under it.
Cool.
So this is how my water gets into my shower. First I start with the pump and I put it into the water container.
And that is battery operated, right?
It is battery operated from Zodi.
Cool.
And I'll show you. Follow me up here. This is my instant propane hot camp shower. Basically what I do is I hang it up right there, and I use one of the 1 pound. I screw it onto the bottom, and then I use this and I put it into the pump, and this is what feeds the water up into the coils that are going to be heated. And then I made this to go into the shower, so this goes over this, and then it basically leads into the shower
Very neat design.
like that.
And that works for you?
It does, and I put this reverter in, so when I'm taking a shower, the water will come out here, and then when I want to lather up, I actually turn it so the water goes back into, the warm water goes back into the jug,
And heats
and
the
then
jug?
I get even more warmer water.
I see.
So, and that actually saves water as well. And this is my 120 volt fridge. So it's a regular dorm style fridge that I plug into my 1500 watt inverter, and it keeps everything cold, and I never have a problem running it all the time. This is my bed. It's a 8-inch, 6 inches of regular foam, 2 inches of memory foam. And what I have to do is, because from side to side it's only about 5 feet 3 inches, so I do have to sleep a little bit diagonal, and that's fine with me because I usually sleep with my knees bent anyways.
So it works out for you.
It works out great. And this is my little buddy heater. I love it. I only need to run it about maybe 15 minutes before bed, and then maybe in the middle of the night I'll turn it back on. But other than that, it usually stays pretty warm in here. And this is my porta potty. It's a Passport 8L, and I can do all my business in here, and it stays stink free.
And it's easy to get rid of?
It's easy to get rid of. It
It's just like a set,
cuts
right?
into two, yes.
And then you just go to any restroom.
Yes, into any restroom, you can dump it right out. This is my dresser. I have socks, underwear, pants, shirts, and these are my 2 junk drawers.
So these are just cubicles with the boxes in them, right?
That's right. And it's all securely mounted to the side of the camper.
Do you have any problem with these trying to fall out?
Yes, I do. So usually when I'm traveling, I'll set these on the floor.
Have you thought about bungeeing them?
Yes, I've thought about bungeeing them, but I also thought about putting something here to keep them closed, just turning it. Like
Good
that.
idea. So how hard is this top to pop? I see you have the, what are those?
These are the gas struts, and basically you just pull it down like this.
Oh, cool. And how easy is it to? Nifty. So this is what you tow with?
Yes, this is a 2014 Toyota Yaris. It has plenty of room inside.
What's the tow capacity?
I have no idea. It's must tow this.
Alright, so what is the towing capacity on this?
It's rated for 1,200 pounds, and my camper is about a little less than 1,000.
And that's completely stocked, not dry, right?
Completely stocked.
What is this pipe right here?
This is the sink drain, and what I usually do is I put a bucket underneath. It fits right underneath, and it catches all the gray water. Up on the roof is my 280 watt monocrystalline panel. They're usually made for homes, but I got a good deal on one panel from a place in Kentucky, and I believe it is 24 amps.
Volts.
It's a 24 volt panel.
Okay, and what are your batteries?
My battery is a 200 amp hour battery.
And your charge controller?
My charge controller is an MPPT Tracer 30 amp.
So how has the system been working out for you? Do you find it to be efficient?
It's very efficient. I can run my refrigerator, I can charge my laptop, my cell phones, I can run my LED lights, and I never run out of battery. I rarely get below 80%.
How long have you been traveling on the road?
I've been on the road approximately 2 weeks.
But you're not full-time.
I'm not full-time. I do reside in Riverside, California.
Do you plan on ever going full-time?
My job is portable, so if I can figure out the internet situation, then yes, I will.
I know you're really new to this, 2 weeks traveling. Is there anything that you've learned that maybe you can pass on to someone just starting?
Yes, actually, just make sure to take your time and look at everything around you and just soak up everything, and just know that traveling on the road, you meet some great people. And what I've learned from that is that once you befriend someone, they have your back for the most part.
It is a great community.
I am absolutely amazed by all the friends that I've made in the past couple weeks. And I think just take it slow and easy and enjoy.
All right, if you'll close it out for him.
My name's Kristofer with Kristofer Travels. Live life to the fullest.
I swear one day I'll make it right when I'm out on the other side. After I spend some time alone, that's when I'll be coming home. Promise one day I'll make it right. Until then I will do my time. There's no place left to go. Now all I know is I'm locked up in a foreign land, in a castle made of sand.